Okay, so the good thing about question 28 is you can kind of learn from the question in a way that extends beyond just the exam. Okay. And that's kind of what's good about the American AMC as well, because a lot of the questions are kind of just like they're basically theory questions in a sense. Okay. So the number of ways of writing 100 as a sum of three different positive integers, there's like a there's like a name for that. It's called partitions. Have you heard of partitions? So this is like the number of partitions of 100 with like three parts. Yeah. And it's unordered in the sense that so it's not.
It's just stars and
Yeah.
oh,
So you know this.
yeah.
But it's not quite just that. So you have to kind of make sure you don't overcount, undercount. So because it asks you for different positive integers, so it's different parts.
And then you divide by this.
Yeah, so you got to get rid of the ones where they're the same, and then you got to get rid of the ordering. Yeah. So the stars and bars thing is for ordered partitions. Okay. Have you seen this, Lachlan? So basically, like if you want to do a partition of 10, right, into three parts, you're kind of just putting in two dividers. You know what I mean? Okay. And you know how to put dividers in because there's only, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 gaps. So the number of ways of putting dividers would be, in this case, 99 choose 2, right? Yeah. But the problem with just putting dividers in by itself, like you could end up with like 3 and 3 here, right? Yeah. So, I mean, but these problems should be easy to deal with now that you're at this point, right? Because this has saved you a lot of time already, yes? So to get rid of all the repeats, can you see that there's only like one possible way it can like there's not that many ways it can repeat. Obviously, you can't have three parts all equal, right? Because 99, like 100 is not divisible by 3. So the only way to get is just two of the parts equal and the other parts not equal, right? And so all of those are of the form, it's like 1 plus 1 plus 98, 2 plus 2 plus 96. And so it's basically one for every even number less than a. So it goes all the way to. So obviously you can't repeat numbers more than 50, right? So the biggest number you repeat is like 49 plus 49, and then it's plus 2, right? Yeah. And so you got to subtract all of these numbers, okay? But um, you got to subtract them in threes, right? Because the non-repeating one could be anywhere. Yeah. So the 98 could come first, second, or third. Yeah. Okay. And then so however many there are, so I think there's 49 of them, right? There's 49 of those. So it's 49 times 3. And then once you got rid of those, then the rest are all different, yeah? But they're different, however, they could still repeat, right? I mean the order could give you the same thing, yeah? So you need to get rid of the order. But if they're all different, there's 6 ways to order them, right? It's 3 factorial. You know what I'm saying? So then you just have to divide by 6. Okay, so I guess my initial reaction is 99 choose 2 minus 49 times 3 divided by 6. Different, yeah. So the ones that are the same are these ones. Yeah. So we're subtracting them. Yeah. So we take all of them, subtract the ones where they're not different, and then we divide by the order on the ones that are different. So then, yeah. So actually, if you knew this, you could do this question in like 2 minutes, right? But the thing is about making sure it's right. So one good check, hopefully this ends up as actually an integer, right? If it doesn't end up as an integer, you know you're wrong. And okay, so 99 choose 2 is just 99 times 98 divided by 2, right? Which conveniently 2 goes into 98 as 49. So you actually have a multiple of 49 on the top, yeah? So it's 49 outside of 99 minus 3 divided by 6. Okay, and then that's why you don't times this out, because you want to factorize first. Okay, and so it's a good thing that this is so 96 on 6, you can even divide the 3 first, right? So it's 33 minus 1 on 2, and then 32 on 2 is 16, yeah? So 49 times 16. Okay, that's less than 800, which is at least a valid answer in the ANC. So it's 16 less than 800, right?
Yeah. But like, you know the answer to 27 is 999?
Is it?
Like for real, yeah.
Oh, we gotta look at that one next then.
Do what?
Alright, hold on. Can we make sure, is this answer, so 49 times 16, what is that, people?
That's a good question.
So it's 800 minus 16.
784.
784. Okay. Alright. Okay, so any questions? Should we end that there?
Wait, are there?
All good?